Carter 12,000-pound electric brake trailer axle with the springs attached. 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern, 5/8 studs. You can use oil or grease lubrication in here. It has the 3-inch wide springs, 30.5-inch long. Part number 72-44, same as Dexter. It has the 7-hole backing plate on them, just like the Dexter bricks. 5-inch heavy-duty tube, 1/4 inch thick, 3/4 inch heavy-duty U-bolts, 3-wired, ready to go. Fully interchangeable with Dexter. You can replace your old axles or just buy brand new ones and build a new trailer with these heavy-duty axles right here. For great prices on all trailer axles, check out Carter Trailer Parts at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thank you.